Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting right in Settings because this isn't a toggle buried in quick panels. First, confirm you're signed in as the device owner and note your One UI version. Then open Settings and tap Apps to list every installed and system app. Keep Wi-Fi or Bluetooth on for a moment so Quick Share shows if it's active. Once you can see the app in the list, you're ready to proceed to disable it at the app level. Once you've found Quick Share in Apps, tap it to open the app info screen. Clear Cache and Force Stop to prevent background activity, then choose Disable. If Disable is unavailable, tap the three dots to uninstall updates first, then Disable. Revoke camera, location, storage permissions, and turn off notifications. This prevents visibility and accidental activation. Make sure nearby device scanning. After disabling, reboot the phone and test by opening the Share menu. Quick Share should no longer appear. If it still reappears, go to Settings, right arrow Connections, right arrow More Connection Settings, and turn off nearby device scanning or visibility options. Make sure no third-party app is reactivating it. As a last resort for advanced users, you can disable the package via ADB with a DB shell PM disable user 0com. Samsung. Android. Quick Share, make sure USB debugging is enabled, and you understand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.